We're headed to the Goodwill Bins. We got the trailer today so we could load up. There's some stairs right there and we're gonna walk down to the bins. All right, we had a nice little stroll. Now let's head into the Goodwill Bins. Looks like they got a lot of books. This one looks older, green. That's pretty, outward bound. I'm gonna get that. Composition books. The other bins of books look like newer books. I have a lot of them. This looks like false graph. Yep, it is. Oh, what is this? It's cute. It's signed on the bottom. Oh yes, we're definitely in that. Actually, that and that looks really cute together. Look at this pretty basket with these flowers on it. It's got a price tag of only $3 on it. It didn't sell. It is pretty, but it's big. Do I want to ship this? The handle is what always gets me because you see, you're going to need a really big box. But it's so pretty. Okay, let's put it in the cart and we will think about it. It kind of matches the shirt that I'm wearing. I think this might be a false graph cup. I hadn't seen this one before. I don't think it's false graph, but it's cute. I'd have to take that little sticker off to see the bottom. Let me get that. See if there's any more in here. Nope. Some glass vases and wine glasses. It's a zebra mug. Do I need a zebra mug? Sounds like there's more glass in there, but I'm gonna wait till I have two hands to look at that. Lots of glassware. What are these guys? Oh, they're heavy. I wonder if they're door stoppers. They're handmade, I think, from socks. But I'm gonna leave them here. They are cute though. Here's some more books. They're rolling out some new bins. Ooh, I like this. Nice big frame, good shelf sitter. Hold up, hold up. Swirl plates. See if there's any markings on it. Nope, doesn't matter. Those are coming home with me. See what this is. Ooh, that's pretty. I got it upside down. Look at this frame with that pretty inlay and matting. I like that. I just need to find the perfect picture to put in it. All right, I think that's all. All right, we're gonna get these 3 pieces. I see some older cute things in this bin. Ooh, that's pretty. Handcrafted by Ted, Oxford, Mississippi. Definitely need that. Okay, I think there's still salt in here. I can take that out, but it's rusty, crusty yellow, perfect for spring. This is cute. Little creamer right here. Let's see what it says on the bottom. Mayor, China, 1881. All right, we're gonna get these 3 pieces. What else is in here? Nothing. Here's a little cover to something. Where's the rest of this? Looks like the top of a little ginger jar. I know exactly what this is. It is a whole stack of false graph dishes, but I have a ton of these at my house already. So I think I'm gonna leave them here. Hopefully somebody else will rescue them. Got some little Beanie Baby looking things. Oh, what are these down here? That's cute. I don't know if that's like a special brand. I think it just says made in China. This is Gibson. Let me put this up here so it doesn't get dumped. Some artwork. Happy Easter. This little piece right here. Another little shelf sitter. Maybe I'll get that. These are great just to have in your DIY stash. Ooh, a little tray. Okay, I'm gonna get this. I can make a little vignette in here with some cute little items that I find. Ooh, I like this too. A little mini cutting board. It's perfect for DIYs. Oh, look, a little rolling pin. Hold on. lost it. I don't love the hearts, but I think it's just paper. I think we could take this off and do something else, put a transfer or stamp on there. Oh, hold up. We could make like a little vignette here, like a little kitchen vignette with some IOD. Yes, let's do that. Okay, little blank house. We need that too. I just cleared out my DIY stash and here I am just refilling it. That's how it goes. It's another house, but I'm gonna leave that one. Shelf bracket. Wait, is it these? I think so. I might open this up and see. Yes, it is. Okay, you can never have too many of these. I'm gonna get that as well. Those are expensive. I used to find them fairly inexpensive at the stores, but they are not anymore. Okay, this looks like a stocking hanger. It's an F, just a board. What state is this? I don't know. It doesn't say what state it is. We have some shoes and some stuffed animals. Some CDs. Oh, let's see what's in here. Got some glass pieces, some little bowls. I don't think there's anything that I need. And some more shoes. Oh, this statue is cute, but one of the bird's tails is broken off. Okay, so I searched through all the walls. Now we can look through the rest of the bins. There's a bunch of Christmas light ups. Looks like fan, a bunch of risers. Oh, look at that lamp. Looks like it has like a metal crate and then glass. As far as I could tell, I don't really need any lamps in my new house. I like this pillow. That's pretty. We have this gold frame. Let's pull this out. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. I like the gold inlay here and the gold here, but I definitely do not need another frame in my collection right now. Binders. Always lots of binders here. Looks like they have a lot of records today. I saw a few other bins full of records. Alright, we getting towards the end of stuff to dig through. I'm not really finding too much. Hook or binders. Of course, there's tons of clothing. They just brought out some new parts over there that I need to go look through. But then, I think that's going to be it. Oh, this looks like the shelf that goes with the little thingies. See that? I think that is the shelf. There we go. Got the whole set. Anything else in here? Oh, look. So we found these all the way on the other side of the bins, but all this stuff was probably together at the regular Goodwill. When it gets separated, so I gotta look. Is this corral? No. It's kind of cute. Maybe paint that. Yeah, I'm still finding a few things. Oh, look, this little puppy. Unfortunately, his ears are broken off. Look at these cute little pink leather baby shoes. I have a adorable spring idea for these. And hold up, look at these heavy glass salt and pepper shakers. Those are going in the cart too. Alright guys, I think that is going to be it for today's thrifting adventure. Also found a nice big clear bin, which is always helpful. I use a ton of these. So that's everything that I got. I feel like it's pretty good for the bins lately because I haven't been coming and finding too much. Very excited about these swirl plates and this cute little handmade piece right here. So leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite item. Oh, I don't think I showed y'all this, but this is a really good jump rope. So I got that. I also got some shoes for Ren. So I'll put a total on the screen of what I spent today. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.